Hi everyone, I am in the Build a Bohr Model interactive activity, and just to go through what you're doing here. So you're going to go to the Build a Bohr Model diagram website. It's going to look like this, and the directions are for you to do magnesium. I'm going to do one of the other ones. I'm going to do carbon, just because that's the first one. You do need your periodic table. So if you have a hard copy, I have my hard copy here. I like looking at a hard copy version as opposed to online when I'm doing something like this. It's easier for me to look at. But you are welcome to click on the periodic table here. This is the same periodic table you'll get if we take the EOG this year. So very easy to look at. It's got the groups numbered at the top. It's got the staircase already drawn in. So that's a nice feature. So I'm going to do carbon. So I'm looking right here at carbon. Its atomic number is 6. Its atomic mass is 12.01. So let me go back here for just a minute. I gave you some tips in here. And I had written these at the top of my periodic table. So a good thing to remember is that in the first orbital shell or ring, you have 2 electrons. In the second ring or orbital shell, you have 8 electrons. The third ring is going to be 18, and the fourth is 32. You're probably not going to have to go any larger than that as far as doing an interactive or drawing it out at any point. You may have an example larger than that, and you would have to just go around and count the electrons on the orbital shell. So let me go bounce back over here to my carbon. It tells me to drag the symbol into the nucleus. So I am going to do carbon. So, and remember, protons and neutrons are in the nucleus. And then they've got the electrons here at the bottom for me to drag up. So again, the atomic number for carbon was 6. So I know I need to use 6 total electrons. But in the first ring, there's only 2. And so I place those in the first ring. It doesn't matter where, but you're going to place them in this first ring right here. This red dot is the nucleus, so you don't want them on there. So that's 2. I need a total of 6, so I need 4 more. The next ring is the second orbital shell, and that actually holds 8. And I don't need to fill that, right? So, because I only need 4. So I'm going to put them 1, 2, and a lot of times in these second and third shells, they like to pair them up. So they're a little bit easier to count if there are pairs available, right? So now I go back and I just double check. I add them, count them all up. 2, 4, 6. So I have my total. Again, I check my atomic number in the box for carbon. My atomic number is that top number, which is 6. I've got 2 in the first ring. I'm allowed to have 8 in the second ring, but I only need 4. So then you're going to come back here. There's going to be a submit button at the top. You're going to submit, take a screenshot, of that, and then come back here and submit that. All right, hopefully that was helpful. If you have any questions, rewatch this video or contact your teacher. Have a good day.